Yara made a cup today, but the cup has a crack.
She wants to hide it under the table. Would you show something you made if it is not perfect? Tell me in the comments in English. It is early morning at the harbor market. The sun is warm. Yara is at her pottery stall.
On her table, there are many cups. Every cup has a different shape. Yara made them all with her hands.
A smooth stone sits on the corner of the table. It holds her price list down.
Yara picks up the last cup. It is her favorite. She drew a small blue wave on the side with a thin brush.
This one is good. I am proud of this one.
She holds it up to the morning light. Then her hand slips. The cup falls onto the wooden table. When she picks it up, she sees it. A thin crack from the top to the middle.
Oh no. No, no, no.
Her favorite cup. And now, a crack. She runs her finger along it. She can feel it.
I cannot sell this. Who wants a cup with a crack?
The other cups are all perfect. No cracks, no mistakes. But this one, the one with the blue wave she drew, this one has a crack. She thinks it is broken. Yara puts the cup under the table. She hides it behind a box. The cracked cup is alone under the table, lonely. All the other cups are together in the light. But is the cup really broken? Or is Yara hiding the wrong thing? People come to the market. A woman stops at Yara's table.
How much is this one?
That one is 4 pounds.
It is a nice shape. I like it.
She buys the green cup. More people come. They buy the blue ones, the yellow ones. The table gets emptier. But under the table, the cup with the crack is still there, still lonely. By the afternoon, only 3 cups are left.
Maybe I should just take it home. No one wants a cup with a mistake.
She is about to put it in her bag. Then a woman walks up to the stall. She is not in a hurry. She looks at each cup, one by one. She picks one up. She puts it down. Then she looks under the table.
Excuse me. What is that one? Under the table?
Yara feels her face get warm.
Oh, that one is... It is not perfect. It has a crack. I can show you a different one.
Can I see it, please?
Slowly, Yara takes out the cup. She holds it carefully, the crack facing away. The customer turns it in her hands. She finds the crack. She holds the cup up to the afternoon sun. The light comes through the crack. It makes a bright line on her hand.
Look at that. The light goes through the crack. And this wave? You drew this?
Yes, but the cup is not perfect. The crack is a mistake.
It is not perfect, but it is my favorite. The crack catches the light. Every cup on this table is nice, but this one is interesting. I do not want a different one. I want this one.
Yara looks at the cup. The sunlight goes through the crack. It is beautiful. The customer pays. She puts the cup in her bag and smiles.
Thank you. I will drink my tea from it every morning.
She walks away, and Yara stands there. The perfect cups did not make anyone stop and look twice. But the one with the crack, the one she hid, that was the one someone loved the most. The cup with the crack was not broken. The crack made it special. It was not a mistake. It was the best part. Now, let us learn the words from this story. Crack. A crack is a thin line on something hard. Say it with me. Crack. Hide. To hide means no one can see it. Say it with me. Hide. Mistake. A mistake is when something goes wrong. Say it with me. Mistake. Proud. Proud means you feel good about something you did. Say it with me. Proud.
Shape. A shape is the form of something. Say it with me. Shape.
Broken. Broken means not whole. Say it with me. Broken. Good. And a useful sentence. It is not perfect, but you say this when something is not exactly right, but it is still good. It is not perfect, but it is still beautiful. The links in the description can help you practice more.
Let us practice some more.
Repeat after me. The cup has a small crack. She hides the cup under the table. It is not perfect, but it is beautiful. The crack is not a mistake. Yara feels proud.
Good. Now, 3 questions for you.
Question 1. Where did Yara hide the cup?
Under the table. Behind
a box. Question 2. Why did the customer like the cracked cup? Because the light came through the crack. It was interesting and beautiful. Question 3. Do you think the crack made the cup more beautiful or less beautiful? Think about it. Yara was afraid to show her cup, but the crack was what made it special. The customer saw it and loved it. Yara thought the crack was a mistake. The customer thought it was the best part. Can a mistake become the best part of something you make? Write one sentence in English in the comments. I read every one. Maybe you want more English now. That feeling is good. You do not need a big step. A small step, again and again. The links in the description are there for you. They are free to look at. A little English, often. That is how it grows. Yara looks at the cup with the crack. It is not perfect, but it is still beautiful. If you liked this story, you can watch another slow English story from our library. New stories come every week. Subscribe so you do not miss them. See you soon.